Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can restore photos from iCloud on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and write your comments. So let us get down to our topic. First of all, friends, you will need to open the settings on your iPhone. And then, folks, this is where you'll need to go to your Apple ID by clicking on your name at the top. Next, friends, in Apple ID, you will need to select iCloud. Here, in iCloud, you'll need to go to the Photos section. And now, in order for you to recover your photos from the cloud, the storage on iCloud, you will need to click on this feature and enable on this button. So friends, you will immediately enable the synchronization between your iCloud cloud as well as your iPhone device. After that, all your photos that are stored in your iCloud cloud will be immediately moved to your iPhone as well. In this way, you will be able to recover all your photos. Friends, I hope you have been helped by this video. You have seen how you can restore photos from iCloud to iPhone. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under the video. Write your comments. Bye-bye.